Hey, my beautiful people. My name is Katie and I welcome you all to my channel, AI with Katie. In this video, I am going to tell you about an amazing trick through which you can create 100 plus YouTube shorts in just 10 minutes and earn thousands of dollars. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
So imagine if this channel was yours with 328k subscribers. This channel only uploads short videos on facts, male facts, girl facts, etc. and it gained 12.9 million views in last 30 days and 292 million views lifetime. So there is also another channel with 213k subscribers. This channel also uploads the same kind of videos on facts and it also gained 10.8 million views in the last 30 days and 146 million views lifetime. This channel earns around $51,000 monthly. And if we talk about this channel, it also earns around $44,000 monthly. Amazing, right? So do you also want to earn this money? Just watch the video till the end. So first of all, we will go to ChatGPT and generate some facts for our videos. So we will tell ChatGPT that we want boys facts, girls facts, love facts, relationship facts, friendship facts, etc. And we will also give it an example like if a boy loves you, he will always prioritize you. And in this way, we will tell ChatGPT that what kind of facts we want. So it's not writing in the way I want. So I will tell ChatGPT that I want my facts to be divided in two parts. And I will give it an example that the first line should start like, if a boy loves you, he will. And the second line should start like, always prioritize you. So in this way, I will divide my facts in two parts and I will give ChatGPT an example so it can generate an accurate result. So I will ask ChatGPT to write all my facts in this way. So you can see it's writing boys facts, girl facts, love facts, friendship facts separately for me. Now I will ask it to generate 50 boys facts for me. So now you can see here it has generated 50 facts for me in just a few seconds. Now here is a trick for you. Ask ChatGPT to write these facts in Excel format with 4 parts. Our first part will be theme, which will contain the headings of boys facts, girls facts, relationship facts, etc. Then our second part will consist of the first line that if a boy loves a woman, he will, and second part will be the last line. So in this way, it will write our facts in the form of Excel format. It will categorize it in 3 parts. So in the same way, you have to generate your facts in the form of Excel format. So here you can see all of my facts are generated in the form of Excel format. Now I will copy this and paste it in my Excel sheet. So in this way, you need to generate facts from ChatGPT and then paste it over Excel. Now you have to go to canva.com and open the template of YouTube Shorts. Now click on the elements and search for a beautiful view. We need a background video for our short, so we will search for a beautiful view and then click on videos, and there you will see a huge library of videos. You can use whatever you like. I will select this one. Now right click on the video and click on set video as background. So here is our background ready for the video. Now we will set the timing of the video. I will bring it to around 11 seconds because I need my video to be around 11 seconds. So after that, click on text and add a heading. Now we have to write our text over here. I will simply go to my Excel file and copy the first part of my facts. After copying that, just simply paste it over here. Now adjust the text accordingly. Now I will add another text box over here. Then I will write the heading of girls fact over here. After that, I will add some effects over here. You can change its color, font according to whatever you like. Now just select your text and right click on it, then select show timings. Then you have to adjust your timings. I will set it to 9 seconds. Now I will duplicate the text to write my second part of the facts. I will go to Excel sheet and copy the second part of my facts. Then I will go back and paste it over here. Now adjust your text and right click over it and click on show timings. Now you just have to set the timing of this text. I will adjust it to the last around 2 seconds of the video. Now adjust your text properly. Now let's just play and check it out. You might be thinking why our first part of the text is around 9 seconds and the rest is just 2 seconds. This is because the people will have to play the video again to read the text and it will increase your revenue. So here is our video ready and it just looks perfect. So now I'm going to tell you the main trick through which you can create 100 plus YouTube shorts in just few clicks.
Wow!
So you just simply have to go to apps and search for bulk. There you will see an option of bulk create. Just click on that and click on enter data manually. Then scroll down and click on clear table. Then go to your Excel sheet and copy all your facts. For now, I will create 30 YouTube shorts. So I will copy 30 facts from my Excel sheet. Then go back to Canva and paste them over here. So here I have copied my 30 facts. Now I will click on the done button. Now on the right side you can see some theme, part 1 and part 2 option. You have to merge them with your text. First click on the girls fact, then click on connect data and click on theme. This will be your theme. Now right click on your first part of the text and click on connect data and click on part 1. This will be our part 1. Now right click on the second part and click on connect data and click on part 2. This will be our part 2. Now on the right side you can see tick in front of theme, part 1 and part 2. It means they are connected to our text. Now our rest of the videos will be generated automatically. Now click on generate to generate the videos. So here you can see all my 33 videos are generated in separate pages in just a few clicks. Let's just play and check them out. Wow, they look exactly the way I wanted. I just entered my data in bulk, then I connected them with my text, and here are my 33 videos ready automatically. So in this way you can generate 100 plus videos, even 200, 300, 400 videos in just few clicks. So if you want to change the background of the videos, you can just go to elements and search for beautiful views and change your background manually. So after you are done, click on share button, click on download and then just select download pages as separate files and then click on download and your videos will be downloaded.
So that's all. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel AI with Katie for more amazing videos. Your love and support means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Take care.
Bye.